Hey everyone, are you facing iCloud activation lock lags on any iPhone's device or locked to owners? Don't worry, without doing a jailbreak, you can fix it at your home. What's happened, guys? Firstly, let's find out root reasons. When you have to purchase a second-hand device and previous owner who has erased everything, then it will stick on a cloud activations and it will demand you lock to owners. Second is that if you found anywhere either your device is in the stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, or sometimes if we are not aware about particular any Apple ID and password and we have erased everything and it will stack on that. So if you are having these kind of challenges, blindly you can come with this strategy and it will assure you, of course, easily you can fix it with the help of PC or laptop at your home. Right now, this is locked to owner. So first and foremost, we will try to configure with the help of iTunes and let's check it out DNS configuration. What's saying iTunes? iTunes will guide to you. As we know that iTunes, this is a iDevice mobile management tools that has been developed itself by Apple. So more reliably, of course, come with. So it's asking that activation lock it is activated on it. And maybe this device is linked to the particular ID, enter the ID and password that were used to set up this device. On a screen, it's saying that activation locks that prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this device. This device came to myself in the morning time today to fix it. Now we are trying to fix it especially 12 series. So see here what's going to happen. Simply we will cut it. After assessing a data, I do need to sanction that this is activation locks. Then we will come and firstly fix all the retained data. We will reactivate on it and reaccumulate on it so that we will clearly wipe out or term it permanently from it, and then it would be a fully functional. So read it from it. So when we are going to read it has written, of course, we will include betas. Here we will have to select the specify. Yes, API announced this one and we will go for error. So it's a demanding if you push this, your device may be restarted multiple times. So don't do extra anything, step by step, follow all the guideline. That is the latest updated instruction, guys, and it will be fully functional on any iPhone device. So if you are having the challenges on an iPhone 5s, 6 or 7 or 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 Pro Max, 13, 13 Pro Max, and of course 17 Pro Max. On it, you can apply this strategy. But unfortunately, it's essential that opinions is not frozen. So we will wait here. It will push again and again in the appearance. Try to read all the data, reaccumulate on it. Then we will clearly after going the inside of it, and then if we will can't tell you this kind of the strategy, guys, so that by using this strategy easily you can fix it at your home. Now it's a entering once again in the recovery and the reading API announced once again. So let's see what's the sayings. 2-3 times it has a restart. Guys, I'm not doing anything, so just relax and see what's happening here. Now successfully got API announced. Now it's trying to exit from it. So let's see what's going to happen and further what's a step that we will have to follow that we will see. Still waiting, guys. Let it complete. Now it's the signature that device successfully announced has connected. Let's click on a finish. Not cam on. Once again on here, we can close it and upon of course we'll go for open. That is a 3U tool. Let's open. We'll go for and here on a locks is still, so we will go the inside of it. So once again we will have to set up and we will go for here. Let's give it the once again configuration. Now successfully, yes, it has connected. We will click on a toolbox. We'll go in a crash analysis and now that we can see inside after coming here. Yes, we will all the detail the cam here. So just we will try to delete all the files. We will have to 9 files has been deleted to remain. So just we will delete all the almost it has. Refresh and see there is no data. Once again, next step that we will have to follow, that is the real-time logs on it. At least 20 times we will have to clear. It will assist you to clear all the Safari history. Maybe sometimes we have logged the particular ID with a yes. Safari, so maybe especially linked to that browser. So just mobile clear, clear, at least 20 times, especially 20 times we will have to follow. Yes, make it pass, we will clear, and after clearing, of course, what we will do, once again, we will have to open, that is a last one tool, that is Imaging PC, guys. Yeah, requirement you need a 3U tool, Imaging PC, Blob Cebu, and Proton's iTunes, as we know that. Now we will click on a trial mode I'm trying to use, hit these ones, and when we hit these ones, then we'll come on especially, let's here, welcome to cancels, and here we will see show device control where it is coming in this ones. Now we will try to the clear, clear, try to the clear, guys, clear it, clear. Now of course I'm trying to clear, let's see, keep clearing, guys, till it's not coming white screen. At least 20 times if you clear, then of course almost it will be cleared. Yes, I'm trying to clear, let's see, at least 20 times we will have to clear. Let's refresh so that fresh data will be attracted to a terminator or wipe out or the clear. Fine, so it's asking once again. Fine, we will clear, clear. Do apply similar strategy, guys, with the help of patient. And when you have a half an hour, then go for it, because it will at least 20-minute demand to fix one iPhone, guys. This is a second device that I am unlocking today and fixing, so, and both was especially activation locked. So now here is option that on a 3U tool, CREC mode interrupts. Of course, we will go for keep clearing, so almost what is screen is saying, so that we can close the multiple apps, so that now we need a speed of your computer fastly. So we will use only ones, yes, force to the quits, let's say, and goes. Now devices not connected, saying that now it has, we will come in a flash options here. Yes, now see what we will do, guys. Here we will try to import the firmware, that is maybe RC version or beta version. So here is a beta version that has recommended, but if we would like to confirm, then we will click on a especially firmware, and after coming on the firmware, we will have to wait here, see here what's going to happen. It has a detected 3 beta version, 2 RC versions, and one is that normal version. So come with the especially 5 version, beta, 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 and RC, RC. So anyone out of directly we can download, or you can directly here also download. Here is options to the imported. So we will try to import this version directly. We had already downloaded, so we will select the quick flash mode. Don't select especially retain user data. We will pick these ones, firmware, we will import. So when we import, we will click on a download option, download to this ones. Now see C54, C54, this is a similar versions, and we will hit this one quickly. So now see it's asking battery fix during the, especially battery fix also during flash. If a battery is draining, then you can select this one, but you will have to ensure that you will have to reboot manually this device once again. It will demand you to reboot that, but battery draining, that will be a completely fixed here. But if this is not especially needed, if you would like to quickly fix this cloud activation, don't select it, otherwise it will interrupt you 2-3 times and it will stuck on Apple logo. So now that we have the rest in especially 18%, we are waiting for especially see what's going to happen the further here. It has crossed 19, but when it crosses more than 30%, means you will have to confess that it has clearly, of course, it has clearly accepted or configured in a cloud database that there is no retaining data on it that can link with any particular iPhones. Now that we have reached on 31%, now fully sure that this device can be fixed. Now see it has started to come with new firmware, that was of course. So before especially executing to, yes, firmware size is especially more than 9 GB. So firstly download it, then go for it. Yes, we are waiting for this. Let's see. We are waiting for the results now. Still, guys, we spent yet especially 10 minutes. We needed, of course, a 10 minutes and 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. That is very essential on exact times we will have to. We will talk here also what are the sources, yes, to have error on any, especially while fixing this device, guys. So first and foremost here, I would like to tell you that data cable that should be a good quality. Second, you should have the internet second connections. Yes, internet second connection, because any error or disconnection problems or configuration DNS problems happens on while proceeding. Then 3U2 will give you error. Yes, imagine PC can give you error, and iTunes definitely will give you error. So here, firstly, check it out, data cables properly before executions. Second, internet connection, maybe hotspot you should have, because at the end of this tutorial, maybe I needed to change the configuration of DNS, especially particular of this PC laptop. So needed sometimes, because it totally depends on the sales area or sales zone of any iPhones. And now, third thing is that during the flashing process, the device may restart multiple times. So please don't unplug or disconnect the device, guys. Otherwise, yes, it will stuck on Apple logo, it will freeze, then manually you will have to worry about it. How it is, up volume, down volumes. Up volume, leave it within 5 seconds, down volume, leave it within 5 seconds, and then keep holding side button until it's not exit from somewhere, so that all the tools will be detectable once again. You can repeat the whole the procedure, and it will surely happen in case if you have elected, yes, fix battery health during the flash. That's option that I mentioned to you. So please watch carefully, don't skip any step or this tutorial. Otherwise you won't be able to, you would be definitely deprived from having the proper and, yes, at home informations, yes, complete informations to fix on that. If you would like to be the veteran master to the fixing of, or to fix of the fixing of any iCloud activation lock links, then occurs on any iPhones, and then don't escape, get all the information properly, then execute it. So if you're unable to, and it's beyond of you, or maybe the communication is not appropriate for you guys in your own language, you can translate, you can enable option this tutorial. Yes, dub audio, of course, also you can enable. So we will enable it, and if you are enabled, then of course you can raise the comment that I will enable your own language. I will dub this tutorial in your own language, so that you will get a complete information to how to fix that at your home. But I assure you, either your device is stolen, lost, blacklisted, you have gotten anywhere, or you have purchased a second-hand device, or you don't know, you are not aware of the particular ID and password. However, you can fix it at your home by execution of similar strategies step by step, guys. I'm extremely exhausted when they're speaking right now, so because this is the second device today that I'm trying to fix. The first was completely successful, especially, but now second device, let's see what's going to happen. And on a second device, is still having error or not, so we will see, and then we will go forward. Now we have the response 64%. Don't look on there, this can be seen sometimes in descending order also, ascending order also, guys. It's jumped directly from 65 to maybe 100%, maybe 70%, maybe 30%, guys. So don't disconnect, wait and comes. It will notify you any error occurs, and then of course we will address. As we know that we are aware more than 200 iOS issues can be rendered on any iPhones or occurs. So we must be aware that how do I fix the particular, how they troubleshoot of particular issues on particular iPhones. Because sometimes due to old iPhones, maybe hardware repair is needed and we are executing these things, and then definitely it will give you error also. So how would I find out hardware issues is inside of this device or software? That also it will guide you guys step by step. And then before execution, how would I scan that? What's issues on iPhones? Hardware or hardware, all the components, especially of iPhones, is functional or not. How would I detect? This can be also detectable by one tutorial that I have mentioned to you. Scan you can all the inside component of this device, and then you can go for the further this step, no problem at all. If you have got in any device, sure. Then now see here. Yeah, there is on 74% as we are waiting for here. Within the 20 minutes, we will have to fix it. How much minute will be spent here? Now that we have only one official alignment, 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Still, it is on a 75% guys. What we can have. But I am not going to add it off in this tutorial because of especially we don't have that much more times. To more device today, I will have to fix it. So this will be only for education purpose. If you are having this kind of challenges, then now see clearly that we can see it has notification that yellow screen, and the congratulations means of course it has completed successfully, guys. Now 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute. So it's not a highlight. If it taps, it thinks your device is not connected, guys. So let it be highlighted. When it will be highlighted, then of course we will go for execution else. Why we will escape? We will do this instruction and we will use this because it will skip all the setting, the language, face ID, yes, Wi-Fi settings as well as face ID, touch ID, of course, Apple ID, cloud ID, everything. So it has been highlighted. In the 20 seconds, we will have to select all, we will go for executions. Here, see any error will come, and then immediately we will change the internet connection. Once again a start will be highlighted and we will go for execute it. So this would be effects. Only once especially 10 to 20% chances to have maybe errors, especially because the particular it's totally dependent on the which zones, which country it belongs and there how you use your internet connection configuration. What's the sales area of an iPhone? Guys, totally depends. Suppose this phone belongs to Hong Kong. That means, of course, we will have to use the DNS configuration of IP, customize the precise location of Hong Kong on your PC so that sales area will be a match and there will be no errors to DNS configuration, the cloud database or Apple database, guys. Now, let's see if error will comes, and then of course we will show you with the demo, but most probably there will be no errors because yes, everything was smoothly functional, so yet I didn't get any error. So I hope that there should be no, but let's see what's going to happen. If error comes, and then of course we'll fix it and surely it will work. So because yes, blobsable, that was especially completely fully functional. So now see here, it has successfully done, guys. Now we will go for the activation strategy. Let's just select all and it will give you full confirmation that this device has been completely deactivated or not, or still it is bound with Apple ID. So we are waiting for 1 second more. It will be highlighting, executes in this thing and successfully completed, guys. What do you see here? Do you have any doubts in that still it is linked with the particular ID? No, I think. Yes, now let's open iTunes. Let's check out DNS configuration by connecting this device. Should be connected always. And now, yes, it will access the data. And once again, if it were, then it will linked with particular ID. If there will be no it's completely fixed. Then after accessing data, it will welcome to you guys that this device is not linked. So now it says still especially rebooting. And so there we are waiting for the results. Now see here, it is still. So once again, it will access the data and then it will confirm. Now see here, completely unlocked. So what are you waiting, guys? Just blindly go with this strategy and you will have no any issues to fix it if you learn the properly step by step or follow all the guidelines. Now the completely it's unlocked. It's welcome to you. But before executing this whole procedure, what was the iTunes saying? This is the activation logs, and here was the activation log was too much highlighted. And that's why I'm saying how easily it has been completed. Let it complete these rebooting options, and then we will go the inside of it and we will try to create a new apply with password. So now it's restarting, guys. Friends, it will come on the hello screen. It will ask you second time or maybe especially 1 to 2 times hello screen. So see again, of course now we have selected. Once again it will ask you that maybe select the language. So it will come on once again. We will come on here. Now here we will have to select the country and the region. So your local area country we will have to elect here. So we will go for inside of here now. Now here we will have two options, that is a partial setup or erase and they start again everything. So we will have to select the partial setup. Now continue with the partial setup. Don't select the erase, and the first one don't select. Second option this selects and system will go. Now so what do you see, guys? Here what are you waiting? Try this strategy. Now SIM card is not inside, so while doing the everything, so there should be no SIM card inside of it. If we tap on a setting to, of course, if we go, it will ask you internet connections, means if there is no internet connection, how it has been completely unlocked. That's what I'm saying. So it's a totally game of DNS configuration of people will can't tell you this kind of the status by using the phone. And no one who has experimented, who has done of that, and this can be. So if you're watching this tutorial, this is a first tutorial for you, especially like that by this strategy. Go with the blind line, of course, unlock it, and then yes, share this content to someone else who is needed generally, guys. Now it's asking internet connection, even if new iPhones cannot you activate without having the internet connections, but right now we can the inside of it. So now we will check it out, the face ID, touch ID, screen passcode, everything is disabled. So do you have any doubt, guys? Check it out. Now what we will do, insert the SIM card and then yes, see the SIM card is valid or not, SIM card is functioning or not. If the calling is not happening, data is not the connection, then of course we will come the virtual locations to, we will go for restore the true location. Keep inserting the SIM card, guys. Keep inserted SIM card so that local network area will be configured with your DNS configuration of sales area, or especially particularly this iPhone. So configuration, internet configuration will be APN and so on. So these things will be confirmed, and then there will no chances to have any. Now, see, with the help of jailbreaks, if we unlocked or fixed, then after restarting, sometimes it will stack on a cloud activation. Fine. So once again, but if we go inside, there is no lock. So it can. It's a permanently, fully functional and permanent matter, guys. So this is all about and how to like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave the feedbacks below the comment box. Your feedback is very needed for me, guys. Once again, thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. Hi, this is Technology Welfare. I would be back with a step-by-step with new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share up this content, and it really supports in this channel, guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.